In this video, I'm going to show you how to power edit in BambooHR. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your People tab over here inside your dashboard. And then from the People tab, you are going to go ahead and click on the three dots over here, top right. Now, this over here is just some demo data. As you can see, I'm viewing a sample data. So these aren't actually real people. So I'm not actually leaking anyone's info. So don't worry. Now I'm going to click on over here and click on Power Edit Employees. Okay. This is where you can actually go and use the Power Edit tool. So if I click on this, it's going to open up the Power Edit tool. And as you can see, it consists of 3 steps. We're going to go through each and every single one of these just so I can show you how this actually works. So here first you have to select employees. So of course you want to select the employees you would like to make changes for. And for this, I'm just going to click on a few of them and I'm going to move them. Okay. Now a quick tip over here is going to be, if you want to select all of them, you can select all, and then you have like different ones over here, such as divisions, job titles, locations, etc. And you could of course search them by name as well, or if you have multiple here, you could go and select the first one, hold down your shift key and then click on the last one, and it's going to make a selection like this, as you can see. Or you could hold down your control key and control click, and it's going to just select specific ones. Okay, so let's say I want to change this for these 4 people. I'm going to now click on this button over here and it's going to take them over there. Okay, now if I click on this button, it's just going to move all of them at once, which of course right now I don't have to do because I just want to use 4 for this example. So like this, there we go, we have these 4 selected employees. Then here you have to choose your fields over here. So of course you can type a field name if you have a lot, or you could just go ahead and change them over here. So I'm just going to click on over here. And for example, let's say I want to power edit the hire date. So I'm going to click on this over here. And what I'm going to do here is something else as well. So actually, I'm just going to do job title over here and then something else like maybe comment. Okay. Then I'm going to go and over here it says editing options. You have 2 options, individually or as a group. So I'm just going to click on individually and I'm going to click on next step. And when you do this, it's going to take you in here, and there we go. As you can see here, I can now manually change all of these things I actually wanted to change. So if I want to change hire dates, I can just go and click on over here, and they can be changed by an easy click of a button very, very quickly without having to go to every single employee and making changes in there on their profile. And here you can also change things like job titles because I selected this, etc. And you can also add comment if you want to. And of course, whatever you selected is going to be editable and changeable in here. Then what you can do is click on next step. And then here you'll be able to preview your changes and if everything looks good over here. So you can see this for every specific person over here. This one, click on the other one. There we go. If it's cool, if that's the changes you actually wanted, click on save and finish. And that's going to save and finish your changes. And there we go. As you can see, the power edit has taken effect. And as you can see, it says you've updated and then your number of employees. Okay, so that's how to use power edit. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.